You wanna do it too? All right.
Welcome back to Mickey.
Okay, what's up, folks? Welcome back. My name is Mike. This is Mickey, and we're gonna make. Dang it! What are we doing? What do you want to make?
Make Dima.
You want to make sea moss with coconut water?
Yeah.
Coconut water sea moss?
Yeah.
We're making coconut water sea moss for you guys. Down for that?
Yeah.
Let's get to it. Boom. Boom.
We got that thing. So.
Yeah, what did he say? All right, let's get to it. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the gold sea moss here and we're gonna break it down into half an ounce. We sell actual half-ounce packages. We actually do it for free online, but we're gonna break this one open right here and then measure out the 5 ounces or 0.5 ounces. Boom. All right, 0.51. Good enough. So now what we're gonna do is wash this off, take it over to the sink, rinse it off, clean it out, and then throw it in some water in the fridge. And then 2 to 3 hours later, we can go ahead and start blending it up. All right, so the first thing we do is going to show you all how to wash the sea moss so that you get nice, clean sea moss. The noise in the background is my family, so we're gonna get through it together. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse it off. I'm just using regular tap water, but we have a filter attached to this, so it's filterized tap water. And you're gonna fill it up in there. And what you're gonna do is make sure you get any debris out. So if there's any bugs in it, you know, any sea animals, sea creatures and whatnot, you wanna get them out of there. And you'll notice as the water gets nice and cloudy, that means you're getting off any sand or any just sea elements. You wanna get rid of those. You got it. There you go. Now you're cleaning off the sea moss, buddy. Let me know when it's clean, okay?
Clean.
It's clean? All right. Hey, boss, you ready for the next part?
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's get to it. All right, so we just rinsed it off. We have the nice clean sea moss here. So we're gonna go ahead and put this into a bowl, throw it in the refrigerator. Like I said, 2 to 3 hours later, it'll rehydrate, and I'll show you guys that. And then we'll be good to go to make the cold sea moss. So refrigerate. Oh, no, it's too early. You gotta put some water in it. So let me show you guys that. All right, so to rehydrate this, we're gonna use the Essentia over-activating H2O. We're gonna use this. You use any spring water really, but this is like nice and alkaline, so we're gonna go with this. And we're gonna go ahead and rehydrate this in the bowl. Hey boss, you ready to help?
Yeah.
My man. All right, boss, so you ready?
Yeah.
What I'm gonna have you do is you're gonna go ahead and put the water in there, all right? So we're gonna take the sea moss. And can you do me a favor and dump the sea moss in here, please? Pour the sea moss in there. My man. All right, now can you fill this up with water up till Minnie's face? So one of the things a lot of folks like to do is add lemon or lime to it to give it a nice flavor. So we're gonna take a little bit of lime here and add it to our sea moss just to give it a nice little bit of a kick. So I'm cutting these into essentially leaves. So right here in the fridge, we have the sea moss. We have the full spectrum there. We have the green right here, and then we have the gold right here. So we're about to break into that.
Make apple too.
Wanna make apples? We can make apple sea moss, yeah, but I'm cool with that. You wanna do that? Bet. Okay, so what we're gonna make now is at Boss's request.
You still want that on high?
You can throw that down to 6, thank you. All right, we're gonna make Boss's request. He has requested the, what you want, Boss?
This.
All right, so this is coconut water. So this is the 7-Eleven brand coconut water. Like this is top-notch stuff. I'm a huge fan of it. The boys love it as well. So what we're gonna do is take this, and this is 16 fluid ounces right here, so we're already good to go. And we're gonna throw in one of the sea moss, and we're gonna make it into a coconut sea moss with some apple. So coconut sea moss, apple, water. All right. All right, so this right here is going to be the full spectrum sea moss. There's majority purple, so we're good to go on that end. There's a little bit of gold and a little bit of the green in there. But this is what we're going to have and add it into with the coconut water. Now we're not going to use all of this because, actually no, we're going to use all of this and then 2 bottles of coconut water and then pour the coconut water back into the thing so that the boys will drink it. Oh yeah. All right, so we got Criskets right there. Criskets. Okay. All right, Criskets, please add the apple.
Into what?
To the blender, to the NutriBullet.
I'm gonna do this box.
Now it needs to be a cut up apple. So we're using the NutriBullet right here, and this one has a bottom blade, so we're gonna go ahead and use this one. And I'm gonna add in all the sauce. Boom. Boom. I'm gonna take out the tangerine now. All right, buddy, no tangerines.
Why?
Because we gotta peel them. And then we're gonna add the 7-Eleven brand coconut water. So this is 7 Select coconut water. This is like $3.19, so it's a good purchase. You gonna pour it in? All right, boss wants to throw in one more. So this isn't a big deal because we want the coconut water to be watery. And since we're like overfilling the sea moss with water, it's still gonna have the sea moss infusion, but it's gonna have the coconut water in there. It's gonna be great.
Yeah.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
All right.
Compete.
You ready? Oh, that's so cool. It lights up once you like, all right, cool. All right, boss, you have to hit high. All right, we're gonna take a look and see how it looks.
Tasty.
Looks tasty?
Uh-huh.
All right, you wanna try it?
No, not that.
Not yet? You sure?
No.
All right, well, it looks like Uncle Brian's up. Come on, Uncle Brian.
I do this one too.
All right, so we filled up 2 so far, and then here's the 3rd one. Hold up.
I do this too.
Did we already do those 2? No.
No.
So we did this one here, and then we did this one here. So we're about to do another one. Boss, you still one? Oh, here it is.
No.
Now, this coconut water sea moss infusion here has pulp in it because the white sea moss that we added at the end there still has pulp. So that's why it looks like there's pulp in it. All right, so we're gonna pour some of the coconut water here. So remember, this is apple, sea moss, coconut water. We're gonna pour it for boss. You take a sip, boss? No? Okay, so boss is gonna take a sip. Uncle Brian, you're up. No, you're up. Actually, no, let's get Kairos. Come on. Kairos, come here, buddy. Come here, King. Want some coconut water? No? Come on, I know you want some coconut water, buddy. You love coconut water. You like it? All right, so he didn't say no. All right, so this.
Hey, Kai. Kai.
He's watching TV. All right, Mom, you take a sip. What up? All right, Mom, you take that sip. Now, Mom does not like coconut water at all. But since I'm on a 7-day sea moss only fast.
I mean, this is sea moss.
Yeah, but it has like apples, yeah.
It's not bad, but it tastes like coconut water. I don't like coconut water.
So it tastes just like coconut water.
It tastes like. Yeah, you can taste some apple. Oh, well, I like it. But yeah, no, it tastes a lot like coconut water, so it's not my fancy.
All right.
But it tastes coconut, like it had apple. That's about it.
Coconut with hint apple.
Yeah,
Sweet.
I don't really taste any sea mossy flavor.
All right, boss, you sure you don't want to try it?
No.
But you made it.
Don't like it.
All right, that's fine. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. All right, and Kai, what did you think about it?
Kai, was it good?
I don't know what to take with that face. It's just Kairos. Hello? Okay. All right, whatever. Okay, so that's how we make the coconut water, sea moss water. This was with apple infusion. It seems like we got a 1 is an eh. Let me give Kairos a yes, and then Boston try it. So we got like an eh. I'll let you guys know what I think about it when I'm done with this 7-day fast, and obviously it's gonna be fantastic. But what we're gonna try now is called, All right, so what we're gonna try now, Boss wants some cereal. And what I'm gonna do is add a little bit to the cereal and have him eat it. So we'll see how that goes. All right,
That's why he's not drinking. Oh,
on to the next one.
coconut water.